How's everybody going today? Welcome back to another video. We've got a little shenanigans in today's video again, what we got up to in the weekend. Hope you really like this one, really looking forward to it. Got plenty of stuff coming on the way. Currently going to a Halloween party, that's why I'm dressed like this, which will be in the next video. But if you like this one, leave a like and a comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And let's get right into the video.
Jumping in the pond?
Yeah, I was out of 10.
No.
Out of 10?
I thought he said over, but sure, if you want to jump in, I'm all for that.
Seeing the size of that fat neek of a pond?
Yeah, out of 10, bro.
Wait, which part? I'll do it.
Right here.
Yeah, bet.
Out of 10?
You know
I'll just do it.
It's not interesting because you know you can do it. It's like, oh, look at me, I'm a dickhead.
Oh, you pussy.
I'm a fucking tank. Understand me, son? There's nothing you could do to affect me.
Pussy. Pussy. Oh, shit. If you would have fell in, I would have cracked my shit at you, bro.
Over there?
Go on, Kyle. Walk right in.
Okay.
Which part? Yeah, go on. Go on. If you miss, you're landing in water. Just know that.
I bet.
Yeah, you lucky motherfucker.
You know the vibes.
You know the vibes.
Look at me. I'm a water tower.
Oh, it's right on. I just watered the garden there, didn't I?
You definitely did.
You want to hear a joke about a piece of paper?
Yeah.
Never mind, it's terrible. Wait, why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil?
What?
Why shouldn't you write with a broken pencil?
Because I'll snap it.
Oh, sexy.
No, because it's pointless. Wait, how many tickles do you have to give an octopus for it to laugh? 1. Tentacles.
This is great banter.
Boy, think more here.
Yeah,
Think
he
more.
loved it.
Tentacles.
You stick on the back though, you stick on the back.
Everyone turns a little bit gay around Archie, everyone does. You have to. It's a fact.
Star in this commercial.
And this commercial.
Hey guys, welcome back to my new vlog.
How are you still here?
It's really cool.
Please clap.
Shannon tries to get with Emily, so.
Me? Thought it was him. Hello.
I guess it's okay.
Come on.
Rid of the bitch, all of ya.
Why'd you stop?
Because they're out of the way now. Now I can go home. Now I can go eat my meat pot.